Changing the language in the Zoom app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Zoom app. Launch the Zoom application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Locate the gear icon or the settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the app interface. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to language options. In the settings menu, look for the General tab. Within this section, you will find the language options available for selection. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Click on the drop-down menu next to the language setting. Browse through the list and select your desired language from the options provided. Step 5. Save and restart. After selecting your preferred language, click Save or Apply if prompted. You may need to restart the app for the changes to take effect. Once you have completed these steps, the Zoom app will display in your chosen language. Enjoy your meetings in the language you are most comfortable with.